Hi everyone, welcome to Mike's Double Edge. Today I have a small unboxing video from Subtle Art Soap Company. They sent me over some samples. I'm so happy they did that. And so grateful too. Thank you, Joe, again. So I know what's in here, but it's my first time smelling them or even having them. So I'm going to do this unboxing and we're going to see what they smell like. So let's get going. And count how many times I say so. Alright, let's see. How did I do this? Okay. Did I get it? No? Okay, I got one more. Geez, Joe, I'd hate to see how you wrap Christmas presents. Probably like me. Tape everywhere. Alright. Open now. What does that say? Hey, there they are! Alright, what we got here? Oh. SubtleArtSoap.com. That's cool. And that to my wife. Congratulations on the giveaway win. Hope you enjoy these samples. Sweet. Alright. Ooh, he sent me over some more Shark Platinums. I'll take that. Oh, and some Shark Super Chrome Blades. I'll take all those too. Alright, let's open the first one. Nice packaging. I don't know if you can see that. I'm kind of squishing myself to show you. Alright, first one. Glass? No, it's plastic. It's nice. Alright. First one is Draconis Ignis. Let's see. I can smell this whole thing right now. It smells good. Oh. Ooh. Oh my God. What is that? Oh. Smell that. That smells really good. Can't wait to use it. What's the texture on that? Okay. So, medium hard, soft hard, harder than some. I'm putting this bad boy back in before I slash myself. There's those Shark Platinums. I do like those actually. Alright, next one. Draconis Luna. Luna! Ooh, they look soft. Oh, it's hard. Smell that one. Yeah, she's gonna smell these with me. Mm-hmm. Ooh, this one's darker. Ooh. Draconis. Oh. That smells good, but it kind of takes my breath away. It's almost like has like a cinnamon hint to it, but almost also like a incense I smelled before. It smells real good, but you take too big of a whiff of it, it make you cough. Yeah, there's what it looks like on the inside.
That is one you don't need much of.
No. But that's fine. You know, it just tells me it might last longer. Emerald Fields.
Should smell like 4-leaf clovers.
Ooh, that's a nice subtle smell. Kind of peaceful.
Mm-hmm.
Following Seas. This is the one you threw in as well. Oop, show you all here. Following Seas. Ooh. That's nice. Almost smells like a certain cologne I've smelled before.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, next package. There's Shark Chrome Blades again.
You're not going to run out of razor blades for a while.
I'm fine with that. Alright, one of the other ones I picked. Grapefruit Blossom.
I'm curious on that one.
Looks like that Carmex almost. But I think you'll like that. She says it's mine or hers. That smells good.
I'm stealing that one from you.
We'll just get a big old tub.
We'll get two.
Bay Rum. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, God, yeah. That smells good. Again, it's almost like I smell like a hint of cinnamon. Arctic Blast. This is one of the menthol ones. Elephant running down the hall.
Or above us.
I can smell the menthol. Definitely. But it's got another hint of something else. Can't quite pinpoint it.
Oh.
It's a blast, so it's gonna have a lot of menthol in it.
Well, it's got mango butter in it.
Oh?
That's not mango I smell. If you're sick, just smell that a few times.
Yeah, that'll clear you up. But I'm not complaining, it still smells good. It's just not, I haven't had anything like this that's very mentholy. That cheap stuff I have that says cooling, no, it doesn't have that in it. Mid Cape Barber. Ooh. It's nice, pleasant.
Hmm.
and piped in. Curious on this one. Been wanting to try this. Ooh, not what I expected at all. It smells good. She's not a big fan of it, but to me, it smells good to me. Nice manly scent.
It might smell better on you than just in the thing.
Possibly. But that's both bags. Thanks again, Joe. I really appreciate this. I'm excited to use a lot of these. I don't know which one I'm going to use first. But after my upcoming shave video, I'll pick one for the shave video after that one and use it. But yeah, thanks again, and great job on the soaps. These really smell great, and keep doing what you're doing with the soaps and on your channel. I'll talk to you again soon, and have a great day. Bye.